Hey everyone, welcome to FixSoft. In this video, you will learn how to install the latest version of Python on Windows 11. This guide is simple and perfect for beginners, so let's get started. First, open any web browser on your computer and search for Python. Click on the official Python website from the search results. Once the website opens, hover your mouse to the Downloads menu. You will see the latest Python version there. Click on it to start the download. After the download finishes, you will see a Python setup file. Right-click on the file and open it to begin the installation. The setup window will appear. First, check Use admin privileges when installing. Then check Add Python to Path. After that, click Customize Installation. On the Optional Features screen, keep everything selected. This will install pip, which is used to download and manage Python packages. It will also install IDLE, which is a simple tool used to run Python programs. Click Next on the Advanced Options screen. Check the box to install Python for all users. The default installation location is here. Leave it as it is. Click Install and wait for the setup to complete. Once the installation is finished, click Close. Now, let's check if Python is installed correctly. Go to the Start menu. Type cmd and open Command Prompt. In the command prompt, type this command. And press Enter. If you see the Python version number, that means Python is installed successfully. Close the command prompt. Now, let's run your first Python program. Open the Start menu. Here type IDLE. Then open it. IDLE is the tool we installed along with Python to run programs. In the editor, type a simple print statement, for example, printing your name. Press Enter, and you will see the output immediately. So, friends, that's how we install Python on Windows 11.